Всем привет! Today's story is about Russian iconic hat Ushanka. First, I will read the text and then we will talk about some tough spots. But before we start, make sure to download your own copy of the story from the link in the description box. Поехали! Шапка Ушанка. Когда-то ушанку носили русские крестьяне, но сейчас она является символом России. Считается, что ушанка произошла от монгольской шапки малахай. Уши шапки ушанки называются науши. Сначала было 3 наушей, но со временем шапка с 4 отворотами наушами стала популярной. Шапка-ушанка стала не только привычным головным убором для каждого русского человека, но она еще является и частью зимней формы в российской милиции и армии. Обычно ушанку носят в сложенном виде, но в холодную погоду опускают отвороты, чтобы защитить уши и шею от мороза. Хорошо. Now let's talk some grammar. We will take the first half of this first sentence up to the comma. The fact that the word Ushanka here is not in its nominative form, its accusative case, tells us that it is not the subject, it's an object. The subject of the sentence is actually peasants, крестьяне. So we will blame it on the nature of unstructured Russian sentences, which makes it really hard sometimes to keep the word-to-word translation going. The next word is the verb, which I underlined here with these 2 crooked lines. And this verb belongs to the noun крестьяне, it belongs to our subject. Therefore, its neutral form, which is носить, to wear, it changed according to all the attributes of the noun, plus we needed to put it in the past tense. Still, first page, second sentence. And here we see the verb произошла, and the infinitive will be произойти. So how did we get произошла? First of all, it belongs to the feminine noun ушанка. Ушанка произошла. And plus we needed to put it in the past tense. How we guessed that the next 2 nouns are genitive case. The first one is by the preposition от, that's a sign of genitive case. And the other one, we can ask the question of whom and of what, which is also genitive case. Second page, and here in the first sentence, I will just quickly point out that the preposition with points to instrumental case. That's why we have letter I there underneath отворотами. In the second sentence, we have one noun that is instrumental case, and the second one is genitive because the preposition for tells us so. Another thing, pay attention that all of the adjectives that go together with both of the nouns, they are all changed, meaning the endings. This is the last page, and here we have 3 nouns that are prepositional case because before them we see preposition v. And in this last part, I want to talk about the verb опускают. As you see on top, it's translated as they pull down. However, in the Russian version, there is no they, они. Plainly speaking, there's no subject. And how do we get it that it's they? Well, it is supposed by the structure of the verb. The ending ut tells us that it is plural noun that does the acting. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Пока-пока!